No, I look fat. Hi.
Hello guys. Yeah, today we're going to follow a specific makeup tutorial by a famous singer. Yes. Do you have any idea who would it be? Yeah, of course it would be Rihanna. Yes. We all know that she has a makeup line from Fenty, and I'm somehow interested how would she apply her makeup on her face. So, we're going to follow a makeup tutorial posted by Vogue magazine, and let's get started.
No, I look fat. Hi, I'm going to do my makeup. I'm not gonna say hi. All of you Vogue readers and Vogue bloggers and you Vogue fans. We're gonna have some fun today, so I hope you're ready. We're gonna start with foundation. So now let's get messy with it. Let's do this. This I just like because it's like a safe bet. It's consistent. Okay, that's only half of my face. I can do my makeup in 10 minutes or 10 hours, it feels like sometimes. Depends on what kind of day you're having and how much in a rush you really are. My next step is going to be a little bit of contour. Mocha here to contour right here. Very important to contour your face for your face, not the way you see on every YouTube tutorial, because everybody has a different shape. I have a huge forehead, so I like to go in a little deeper down here, hide that, you know what I'm saying? Very important to go into the hairline too, because I hate to see that white line between your forehead and your hair. You should just blend in naturally. Contour always starts off looking absolutely crazy. I got double chin. Yes. I learned how to contour when I gained weight. Believe it or not, that's when it comes in real handy. Them fat days and your cheeks looking like baby cheeks, you just got it. See that look? I like to do all the deeper situations before I go in and like highlight my face. So you see, like, this is a little messy right now, but I'll handle that. Now you always want to do a triangle when you're doing a contour under there. Give you that whole long neck situation. It just disappears. Concealer. This I actually like to warm up on my hand first. Just like that. And then like one little swipe. Everybody knows concealer's made for hiding bags and dark circles and hangovers and bad decisions. All right here. The cure. My day-to-day really depends on my mood. Depends on the occasion. It depends on how lazy I'm feeling that day, how much in a rush I am, you know, who I'm going to see. It all determines what kind of makeup I do, if I do makeup, and how much makeup I'm going to wear. Okay, now we're looking a little smoother. Whoa. Alright, I'm gonna go around my nose because I'm a little sunburnt right now, so I have a little redness there. Straight up and down that nose bridge. Mattifying this face a little bit because things can get out of control. I use this powder to set my contour, to set my makeup, to blot. Oh my gosh, when you get greasy on the fly, honey, it is no joke. Always in my purse. I can never leave home without this. And if it doesn't fit in my purse, then I'm changing my purse. I need to warm up this face a little bit. So I'm gonna use a little bit of bronzer and I go right over that contour. The blend is real. A little more finesse on the forehead over here. You guys can see it's not that difficult. It only takes me long when I'm procrastinating. I'm going along my nose right here. Next, brows. And next, I'm going to use the same bronzer and warm up my eyes a little bit. You can see my eye just start to come to life a little bit. See that? I have been watching women do makeup, since my mom. And then I started working in an industry where makeup was going to be a part of my everyday, basically. So I picked up a lot of tips there, and I think the best teacher is yourself. You have to practice on your own face, because there are going to be things that you can do better than makeup artists. Like, there's a certain point where they hand you something and you do it because there's one way that you like it and one way that it works. For me, that's my brows. Super caught up about my brows and my nose contour. Because I'm black, you know. Very special nose. Next is going to be a little bit of eyelid drama. Beach, please. Beach, please. Get it? Yeah. I'm going to start with the pink on the lids because it says summer, sunset, love, drama, bitches. That was easy. I always like to warm up underneath my eyes, give it a little definition. What kind of day I'm having really determines how I'm going to apply this. Most days you just want to go right by the lash line. But like a day like today where I've barely had any sleep, you want to get all those little bags right there. But the creases, they show up. If they're there, they're going to show up. Like, see that right there? Now I have to blend that out. This is the fun part. I'm going to use the same palette. Blush is also something that depends on your mood. You know, sometimes you're trying to give a little natural vibe, give a little bronze, like a little hint. And then sometimes you just want to go ape, like right now. Like, I want to give you guys a vibe. And my vibe for summer is more is more. You definitely want to smile when you're putting on your blush. Here's your face, and there are your cheeks. See? As soon as you smile, you know exactly where to put that, okay? I'm going to stop now. Now, I know you guys noticed that I've been using this really, like, cool brush, which I like to call my shark toothbrush, but it's a cheek-hugging brush. It's made perfectly for your cheeks. I want to try some of this. See that? And I can get really carried away when it comes to highlight. I'm really good. I layer highlighters all the time. There's a technique to it. You just have to figure out what kind of look you're going for. And the colors need to make sense together and blend together. This is like, whoa, this is giving me my life right now. Highlight my nose bridge with the same brush. Boom. I can even take this and go into my brow bone, just like that. I think the key to highlighter is not being afraid of it. There's always ways to play with highlighter. It doesn't only belong on your cheekbone. A lot of people think that. Makeup is fun. It's there to play with. I like to do the corner of my eyes because it gives you a little zest, or oomph, as a lot of people like to call it. Look at that. Lashes. Next, I want to do, lips. This looks fresh, like it's in the vein of what I'm trying to do. It looks pink right here. You see a little bit of gold? Look how much it really shows up. Oh! Guys, I mean, you guys. Look at that. I look kind of cute. Voila. Next, and the final step is body. I know you guys know how much. It's a brand new one. I know you guys know how much I love this product. I do need this kabuki brush because this is where the magic lies. The inspiration behind the body lava, for me, I always used to go to the Caribbean, home, Barbados, where I'm from, and every single time I would sit there and make body glitter makeup with like oil and eyeshadows that I crushed up and pigments, and I would just blend it all together to make this nice little glowy thing, and I'll have to keep it in like a plastic cup the whole trip. And I always thought I could never find the perfect body makeup, so I made Body Lava, and it is glorious. Look at it. I think I'm ready. Woo! Where are we going tonight? We're going to the fair. I hope you enjoy my tutorial because I'm done.
So, this is my look when I followed Rihanna's makeup tutorial from Vogue, and it was somehow with the pink eyeshadow and brown undertones on my under eyes. It was somehow complementing my skin. So, I think I'm already good to go, and I think it's very helpful, the tutorial, since we saw how Rihanna do her makeup. Yan, mukha namang bagay sa akin yung ginawa nating look. And kahit na different yung products niya, ginaya ko pa rin kung ano yung mga shade na nandun on her video tutorial for her makeup. So, ayan, sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating look. Ayan. In fairness, maganda yung dating ng highlighter. Ayan, oo. Ayan, sana natuwa kayo sa ating look. Simple lang siya, since hindi natin nakuha yung talagang kulay ni Rihanna because we have a different skin tone. Yeah. But then, kaya naman natin i-manage to follow what are her routine, especially during when she's doing her makeup. So, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my makeup. At sana, iba rin yung style ng pag-makeup niya. Pero ang nakakatuwa is, I really enjoyed following her routine, especially when she is using those kinds of highlighter on her face. So, that's it guys. Sana natuwa kayo sa akin mukha. And, thanks for watching. Bye! So, nakita nyo earlier, yung, actually, tagal ko na itong ginawa, but then, this is the first time that we are going to chop. Oo. We are going to review yung ginawa nating tutorial, makeup tutorial, with Rihanna and Vogue, using the Fenty makeup products. Syempre, made by Rihanna as well. So, meron doon dalawang snippets akong favorite ko nung part na yun. And, eto, panoorin natin siya, okay?
Everybody knows concealer's made for hiding bags and dark circles and hangovers and bad decisions. All right here, the cure.
Pinoint out ni Rihanna yung concealer. Actually, ang concealer talaga, we're just made to conceal or itago natin yung mga anumang blemishes natin na hindi natin kaya ipakita. But then, may hugot siya eh. Dark circles, bad decisions. Ang ibig niya lang sabihin dito, syempre, dahil napupuyat din tayo, at saka syempre, kung ano man yung gusto nating itago, well, nandyan ang concealer. So, natutuwa talaga ako doon. Ibig sabihin, napaka-candid ni Rihanna. And, since yun ay video lang from Vogue, walang yun eh, walang script, basta kung ano yung gusto nila na sabihin, sinasabi niya lang. Okay, let's go to the second snippet. I think it's regarding yung favorite din naman natin na eyeshadow.
A little bit of eyelid drama.
Eyelid drama.
Beach, please.
Bagong product lang.
Beach, please. Get it? Yeah. I'm gonna start with the pink on the lids because it says summer, sunset, love, drama, bitches.
Pati 'di ba, yung mga kasama niya within the room ay natatawa doon dahil din sa sinabi ni Rihanna. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung hugot niya doon. But then, yun yung dalawang eksena na natutuwa ako doon sa kanyang makeup tutorial with Vogue. Sana meron pa uling mga susunod. And I think meron na talagang mga sumunod. Oo. Late na lang tayo nag-post. And I really, really, really love Rihanna about, lalo na sa kanyang, kahit na wala siyang music today, wala siyang kung ano mang album. But then, basta, kahit, ang ganda kasi nung line niya, within the Fenty. And then, it covers yung sa light to darkest shade. O kasi alam natin si Rihanna, 'di ba? She is from Caribbean. Tama ba? Caribbean? Hindi. She is from, kalimutan ko na. Teka, tingnan natin. Let's check the fact. Ayun, Barbados. And she has dark color. And 'di ba, yung mga makeup colors, talagang limited lang yung kulay na binibigay. So, ito, ang alam ko, more than 30 yung shades nila. So, sana, Ariana, keep us updated with your makeup line. Kasi ang dami niyang, dahil hindi naman lahat ng Filipina ay mapuputi. Oo. And ako, wala akong balak na pumuti. I'm okay with my skin tone, oo. And, ang inaano ko lang, ini-embrace ko yung kulay ko. So, thanks for watching, guys. At sana natuwa kayo sa aking review. And of course, yung paggaya ng kanyang makeup tutorial. So, that's it, guys. Bye!
A little bit of eyelid drama. Beach, please. Beach, please. Get it? Yeah. I'm going to start with the pink on the lids because it says summer, sunset, love, drama, bitches.
So earlier, you saw the video on how I did the makeup